Hello and welcome back to my channel. So right now I am in Gokarna, which is in the state of Karnataka. The people of Karnataka are called Kannadikas and the language that they speak is Kannada. And it's a small town. It's a Hindu pilgrim town. There's a famous temple which we are walking towards, which is called Mahabaleshwar Temple, which is famous, which is dedicated to Lord Shiva. So that is what we're gonna go do and enjoy the streets of Gokarna. It's a very nice town. महाबलेश्वर मंदिर जाने के लिए उधर से Hi, are you selling these? Yes.
Not in front of a camera.
Huh?
Not in front of a camera.
Not in front of the camera. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, thanks.
But have a look if you're interested.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
So people think the lady just put that umbrella in front of the camera like as if I'm gonna steal the names and write books on my own. It's okay. Personal choice, Shivani. It is okay. Enjoy the walk. I want to buy something for the friend whose birthday is today. ये गणपति कितने के हैं? कितने का है? 450.
600.
ओके ओके.
मैग्नेट भी है, फ्रीज मैग्नेट है।
फ्रिज मैग्नेट भी है?
वो सामने लगा।
सामने है. ठीक है.
आपके इधर।
दिख रहा है. ओके. ठीक है. थैंक यू. वापस आके दोबारा देखती हूँ. सुंदर तो बहुत है, बट अभी ये वीडियो बना के आती हूँ फिर देखती हूँ. ये छोटे वाले कितने के हैं?
150। ब्रॉन्ज का अच्छा मेटल है।
ओके.
और भी अंदर बहुत सारा है। पहले आप
वीडियो बनाए आती हूँ फिर करती हूँ. ठीक है. थैंक यू. Okay, honestly, so some foreigners appear to be like very arrogant here. Like, I mean, I don't have words. Like the action that the girl putting the umbrella in front of the camera was very, like, it put me off. And again, like, I mean, I understand that vloggers can sometimes be too, they can really get into your private life sometimes. But then, I mean, the man was okay. He was still smiling. But I'm sorry. Give me a break. Like, there's this arrogance that I sometimes see, and it puts me off. But it's okay. Also, of course, people have the right, to not be in front of the camera. 1000%. Anna, Mahabaleshwar Temple. See that? Okay. It's a Ganpati temple. It's a Shivaling. Look closer. Maybe it's not allowed. So this is the temple, and I'm sure the camera is not allowed inside, so I'm gonna go make a visit. Okay, thanks a lot for watching, and I hope you're enjoying the Gokarna series. I'm sorry I got a little bit angry, but then I just didn't like the action of the lady.